auto showcase project here, and I'm with Rich, the tax doctor. Now, Rich, with your permission, do you allow me to video record you in your car with my video camera?
Yes, you can.
Do you allow me to post the recorded video of you in your car onto YouTube.com?
Yes, you can.
Now, Rich, what kind of Ferrari is this?
This is a 2011 Ferrari California. It's the second California that we've owned. We had almost the identical car about a year and a half ago. Bought it, liked it, sold it back to the dealer, and about a year later wound up getting another one just like it, almost identical.
Oh, wow. What kind of engine does this have?
This has a V8, around 450, 480 horsepower. I'm not really sure exactly what it is. My wife uses this car most. It's her car.
Oh wow, okay.
This car has a little bit of a history. This particular color combination, I don't know if you know the show Entourage, but one of the episodes, Vince Chase, the lead, bought Turtle, one of the hanger-ons, a Ferrari, and this is the Ferrari he bought him. Not the identical car, but it's very similar, same color combination. This blue with the beige interior.
Oh wow. And how many miles?
Cream interior.
Oh wow.
This one has about 2,000 miles on it. It only had it about 2 months. We put a lot of miles on our cars.
Oh, okay. And what's the fun factor?
Again, this car I like a lot. I gave it, the other one I said an 11 out of 10. This one's about a 9.5 for me. My wife loves the car. She absolutely loves the car. Matter of fact, it's my understanding Ferrari sells approximately 4% of all their production to women. With this particular car, they were shooting to get about 20%. It's a little softer not that women are softer drivers, but they're trying to appeal more to the women. This car has a cup holder, while no other Ferrari has a cup holder.
Oh wow. And what's the future outlook of this car?
We're going to keep it for a while, and they're redoing updating the model, I think in another year or so, making it a little more aggressive.
Oh wow, okay. All right, Rich, thank you for showcasing the Ferrari California.
You're welcome.
And paddle shifters here. Is this a sat nav here?
Excuse me?
Satellite navigation?
I'm not even sure. Like I said, my wife drives the car. I don't know much about it.
I like the cream color.
Yeah, with the blue stitching and the blue piping, it really stands out.
Push button start. Nice blue stitching.